Hi guys, it's Joe. I am back and it's been about 2 years since my last video. So yeah, I really want to get back into crafting now, and so this is my craft room. I'll put a link of what it's supposed to look like in the description box below. But yeah, so mom life kind of took over. I have a 1-year-old, and so this is pretty much my catch-all room. I'm actually getting ready to go to crop tomorrow, and I'm all packed up, ready to create. Most likely I'm just there to socialize and eat, but I'll try. And so yeah, I still have my Christmas decor up right there. There's still some there. This is so bad, you guys. This is what happens when, I don't know, it's just probably me, but having a baby is tough. It takes a lot out of you, but it's totally worth it. But yeah, so yeah, that's my Christmas decor there, still up. I love it, but it needs to go. And I still have boxes everywhere. My desk here used to be a desk. My computer's there now, so I could look into the living room to watch my baby while he plays. I have more drawers here. That's new. Minion stuff. You guys, don't look too close because things are dusty. Things are just not where they're supposed to be. And yeah, hashtag mom life. There's boxes I need to get rid of. A baby towel there. My cards, that punch holders new. More Christmas decor. Oh, this is so bad, how embarrassing. Diaper bags, pasta, whatever. What is that? Oh look, there's baby shoes, lotion, my mug, snacks. Oh my god, you guys, I really want to clean this mess. I've purged twice already, and that's all I've been doing is reorganizing my stuff, because that's what crafters do. At least you can see my island here. It's pretty clear because, like I said, I'm prepping for a crop. Oh my, I don't even want to show you behind there. But yeah, so this is new. These Tonic Studio, what is this called? See, I still have the box here. Table Tidy. I just got that. I got it at a bundle on, I think it was scrapbook.com. But anyways, yeah, it attaches to your counters, and you could add on to it. So right now, again, catch-all. I have been doing crafts here and there, but just the energy to actually film and have it be quiet in the background, it's been tough, so I haven't been doing that. Let's see, there's my craft tote, all my Copic markers. Surprisingly, they are still nice and juicy, and they haven't dried out, so they're good to go. And let's see, yeah, it's just so bad, you guys. This is not going to be one video. It's going to be a two-parter because I need to clean this up. I'll have another video with it clean, and I promise not to just clean it and put stuff behind me and not record that. So I'm really gonna clean and try to get this in order. This, if anybody is curious, this island here is from IKEA. It's their kitchen island. I'm sorry if I'm like moving around too much, but let me just pan out here. So that is my craft room, and you can see there is the baby gate because he cannot get into that. That would just be a nightmare. And yeah, here is my craft room slash catch-all slash hot mess, and I really want to clean this up. So I'm glad to be back. Hopefully I can start doing videos. And yeah, so I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.